top, the temperature averages some 40 degrees cooler. But wild change, and the trees, flowers, and shrubs will be different. We'll travel over 5 towers on our journey. The tallest is Tower Number 1 at 227 feet, much the same as a 21-story building. It's the only tower accessible by road. All other towers and the mountain station had to be constructed by transporting workers and materials.
维可，你看会转转，对不对？你抓旁边，抓好。
For the original tramway, the helicopters flew some 23,000 flights without mishap, carrying a total of 1,200,000 pounds of materials through this rugged canyon. For the new rotating tram cars, the improvements included new cables, drive system, and the removal of some 1,000 cubic yards of rock. We'll see survey marks on the rock face during our trip that indicates where rock removal.
阿米，你有没有看到？你要把阿米往外面看。
to rotate 360 degrees during travel and are the largest of their type in the world. We're now high over Chino Canyon. Once the summer home of the Ottawa Caliente Band of Korean Indians. Many streams that flow year-round, the canyon has an abundance of vegetation, including alder, black maple, and a great deal of wild grapevine. To the left or south, the tram car is but one of the many waterfalls that is fed by runoff from the mountain. During our upward journey, we passed through a variety of different landscapes, ranging from the Sonora Desert to the Alpine Fringe. It's a little like making a motor trip from Mexico to Alaska. We believe this is the only place in Southern California where this change occurs. As we approach Tower Number 2, at the top of the tower, you can see a 16 by 16-foot yellow helicopter platform used during construction and now used during the tram's maintenance period. Additional platforms will be seen on the remaining towers further along our journey.
你那个位置不错，我觉得往下看比较可怕。
As you no doubt
我们往上没到，下
we
面很高。
experienced a swinging motion as the tram car
对啊，你看，
transitions
好
from
快
track
哦。
cable over the tower saddle and back to the track cable. This motion is the result of the car moving from the flexible track to the rigid tower and back to the flexible
这样
track.
变慢了。
The original tramway was designed and built by the Von Roll Company of Bern, Switzerland, and all moving parts and cables are Swiss-made. The towers are American-made. There's a total of 27 miles of various sized cables in the support, movement, and communication of the tramway. The largest of these are the track cables upon which we ride. They weigh just under 9 pounds a foot, with each of these track cables 13,500 feet in length, therefore weighing a total of more than 61 tons. The halfway point on our trip is reached between towers 2 and 3. This happens when we pass the other car on the journey. While it appears that the downward car is traveling much faster than we are, it's actually moving at exactly the same speed. It must, because both cars are tied together by the hauling cables, which move with the car. You see, the drive system, the valley station, is pulling that car down, and in turn is pulling us up. The two cars are 34 The Palm Springs aerial tramway was first conceived in the early 1930s by a young electrical engineer, the late Francis Crocker, who to this day is known as the father of the tramway. The original tramway was completed in September 1963 after some 26 months of construction at a cost of $8.5 million, all financed with the sale of revenue bonds. In April of 1998, Palm Springs Aerial Tramway contracted with the Von Roll Tramways to undertake the construction and installation.
Okay, we're going to swing a little bit more on this tower than we have on the others.
These new rotating tram cars, one of them already at a total cost of $12 million. Just as in the very beginning, no tax dollars were used, and the cost of construction and the operation of the tramway depends solely on its revenue.
有没有看到？你要不要去？再去看，不可以抓着哦，抓着会转转，摸摸就好。好高哦！
It is between towers 3 and 4 that we reach the longest span on our journey. The cables stretch for more than half a mile.
Wow.
Often right or north of the car is one of the most dramatic sights of our entire trip, the majestic spire of the Chino Cathedral Rock.
你有没有看到我们从底下上来的？
The solid granite core of these mountains.
哇！
As we continue our journey, the light zone changes and become more obvious.
Thank
See
you.
a variety of
因为那个会 rotate。
big cone, lodgepole, natural residents